It's two things you want to do before you remove your list from Getresponse. If you don't know me, I'm the real Robin Williams, and I'm just going to show you how to delete the list. But I'm going to go over two things that you should do prior to removing your list. The first thing you want to make sure is that you don't have autoresponders that you will need to save. So when you delete your list, everything pretty much goes with it. At least that's how it was a few months ago. Getresponse is currently changing a lot of things, and I feel like they should possibly look at that feature. But ultimately, if you have autoresponders, you want to download those. I do have some more training in the description of this video on how to download your autoresponders. And the next thing you want to do is make sure you export your list if you want to save those contacts. Now, if you don't want to save them, you don't have to worry about this. I also added a link to how to export your list should you need this. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and delete the list. Now, for those who may not know how to get there, I'm starting from the Getresponse home screen, and then I'm just going to click on contacts. And after I click on contacts, you'll have a list of your list. So now you want to make sure that you delete the correct list. So I have a test delete list that I created so that I can do whatever I want on it. And I'm going to use that for the example. All right, so here's the list I want to delete. I don't have anybody on there, but again, you want to export your list if you want to keep it, and you want to also keep your autoresponders or download them before you delete this. And so here I'm just going to click on the three dots over here next to this list, and then I'm going to click delete. As you can see, it's giving me all of the warnings. Hey, I have 16 newsletters. I don't need these. I have 15 autoresponder emails. I have workflows. I have 2 landing pages, 1 funnel. This was all test stuff. So at this point, if you're in the situation where you want to save some of this stuff, like your newsletters and autoresponders, you want to go ahead and do that ASAP. Or you want to consider whether or not you want to copy your funnels and things over to another list. So essentially, I'm just going to click on delete everything. And now that's gone. If you need other marketing strategies and help online marketing your business, whether it's email marketing or social media marketing, definitely check out the links below, because that is what helped me take my business from hardly getting any sales online to getting consistent sales online. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the top. Peace.